dancing? Run!
There it is.
Treehouse Junior.
The best part of the puppy party is that we have a real puppy, so now it's Sunny's turn to play.
Say sit. Sit. There you go. Sit. Okay. See how that works? Okay, so watch. Sit. Look, she has it.
Now, and then put it behind
Okay. Good job. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job! You did great at that, Amara. You're a natural with puppies.
No. Okay.
There he goes!
Go ahead, Rosie.
Okay.
There
It is! Now all the girls are getting a chance to try grooming a real puppy. Nice!
Sunny's loving this game.
Sunny is loving this party. He's like, a party all about me? We have a bunch of puppies that want to play fetch. Sunny's like, wait, you're playing my favorite game without me?
Fetch. Go get it. Good boy.
Game, the girls are gonna practice picking up doggy poo. But the poo is really little Hershey bars and Snickers bars. This was definitely Jeremy's idea. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So here's how you pick up dog poo. You don't wanna touch the dog poo, that would be gross. So you put your hand in the bag and you pick it up and then you turn it inside out, just like that.
All right, you guys can play in here for a sec. So it's basically a candy bar Easter egg hunt. Yeah, poo on the carpet is not cool. Uh-oh, dog poo on the couch.
The dog wasn't even supposed to be on the couch.
They're peeking.
Oh my goodness, your new puppies made such a mess. They pooped all over my house. Go pick up the poo. They're all over my house. There's some in the kitchen. There's some down the hallway. Oh good, this place is starting to look a little cleaner.
Good job, Amar.
There you go, there's some more.
Is the water coming to attack you? Oh no, watch out for the water. Watch this. Oh, he goes out.
Sunny's thinking this is the best ever.
This, what?
Thank you.
Whoa. Sunny, go get it. Sunny, you were super fun to play with, buddy. You guys playing with the swing? You dancing? Oh, she's dancing. Dance party!
Treehouse out. Let's go play.